to start off, what's the best thing about turning 30?
The best thing about being 30 is caring less about what other people think. Because
Her.
you spend so much unnecessary energy parang preventing yourself from doing things or pursuing projects because like baka ito yung isipin na ganyan or like girl, nobody cares. Everybody is busy doing their own thing. So do you. ASAP.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Love
Wala
it.
nang fear of the cringe.
Laban mo na agad yan, di ba? Oo.
Yes.
I think pag 30s ka na, you're so done. Parang like,
Rocket
parang
mindset.
mode na.
Correct.
Oo.
So, eto na nga, quarter life crisis.
Oh.
Bang.
Yung feeling na wala ka pang na-achieve or yung comparison with people your age at yung pressure now that you're a full-fledged adult. Ikaw ba, were you a victim of quarter life crisis?
I think I was. Yung sinabi ko nga kanina, I go back to what I said nung previous episode. When I was in corporate, entering my 7th or 8th year noon, which is like 26, 27 na ako. As in, mas grabe na yung pressure ko sa sarili ko na parang, when am I gonna pursue that my passion to be a comedian? And then, that's when I started taking classes. Slowly but surely. Hindi naman siya tipong pag nape-pressure ka, parang, hindi, iwanan natin lahat, tapos bahala na kung paano natin ipupursue yung passion natin. I think, definitely, ganun siya nag-manifest sa akin. So, I attended to it, and now I'm here. So, I'm a product of my quarter life crisis, I guess. Yeah.
I think quarter life crisis really helps to push you talaga, no? Kasi pag wala ka namang obstacles along the way, parang pag chill ka lang, parang, paano yun?
And I think, wag natin siyang, because I think nandun yung salitang crisis, parang feeling natin it's a negative thing. I feel like it's a necessary audit review period of your life. Diba? Kasi parang you don't wanna be stuck. You are also changing. So parang feeling ko mas, ganun siya, parang brand review siya. Diba? Parang life review siya as opposed to like a quarter life crisis because pag narinig ko kasi yung quarter life crisis, parang it's this negative thing na parang I need to get rid of like whatever unnecessary tension this is. But look at it as like, oh, there's a period of maybe reviewing
Checkpoint.
Diba? Checkpoint, diba? Kasi mali mo, hindi mo na gusto or may iba ka pang gusto